Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you are watching the pre-market show. So let us look at uh, how the US markets had ended yesterday and how the current situation is in SGX Nifty and otherwise. So let us open up the charts for the US markets, and yes, you can see all the three indices ended in the positive. So S&P 500, we were seeing some fall in the markets, but it has recovered from there. So S&P 500 up by 0.59 percentage, Nasdaq up by 1.55 percentage, and Dow Jones is also up by 0.15 percentage. So US markets, all of them, although there was some profit booking in the middle of the day, but it was recovered towards the end in all three indices. That is definitely good to see. Coming to the US futures are slightly down is what we are seeing. S&P 500 currently down by 0.2 percentage, Nasdaq down by 0.39 percentage, and Dow Jones down by 0.17 percentage. And that is mainly because of the Asian markets. The Hong Kong market is not doing well. It is down 1.23 percentage. You can see it opened with a gap down and it continues to trade downwards. Coming to Nikkei, the Japanese index is almost flat is what we can say, 0.08 percentage in the red. Chinese market slightly down 0.49 percentage, but it is trying to move up with strength as of now. So that is again good. Korean markets are in the positive is what we are seeing, 0.48 percentage in the positive. So only Korean market is in the green right now. Other markets are almost flat or slightly down in the Asian markets. That is why US futures is showing slight negative. But SGX Nifty is also indicating a flat opening, 16,521 it is trading, and we have ended at 16,520. So almost flat opening for the market, and definitely flat openings are good because otherwise what happens is on expiry day, if there's a huge gap up or gap down, that creates a huge volatility in the market. And also the VIX is very low. I think it is at 16.8 currently, is what we had discussed. Yeah, 16.8. And a good thing is US VIX also crashed yesterday by 2.5 percentage. It is down to 23.87. So even if your US VIX comes below 20 and India VIX also remains in these levels, then we can expect a strong bull market to resume, and we can expect the markets to go higher, or at least the huge volatility intraday moves can be avoided. So markets are indicating almost a flat opening, so we have to see how the markets trade from there. So if it comes down, you can expect a support around 16,480 levels. If that is broken, 16,400, and if that is broken, we can expect a gap filling happening at 16,360. And on the upside, definitely yesterday's high of 16,588 is important, and if that is broken, 16,630 is the level you should be watching out for. So expecting a range bound day to day, and hopefully the expiry will go good for everyone. Not expecting much volatility. So either ways, let us see how things go. Talking about Bank Nifty, we have Bank Nifty yesterday. It showed a negative price action towards the end. You can see it did not manage to hold 36,000 levels, and it came down significantly is what we can see. So Bank Nifty is opening lower and continues to go down. You can expect a support around 35,760, and from there you can expect a recovery. And if that happens, definitely 36,000 will act as a strong resistance, because you can see markets taking multiple supports near this level. So 36,000 should act as a resistance. If that is broken, yesterday's high of 36,182 is important, and above that, definitely 36,300 and 36,500, these are the levels you can watch out for. So not expecting a huge moves, that is also there. Coming to Nifty IT index, Nifty IT index should be in focus again today. It was up almost 3% yesterday, and since US markets, the Nasdaq was positive, you can expect a further move. But going ahead, we are seeing a huge resistance setting in at this level. You can see this on 8th of July, this was the top. Again on 28th of June, this was the top market from where the markets reversed. So definitely the IT index is reaching this level. So until and unless this level is broken with strength, we can expect further bearishness happening. So I think there is again around close to 1% move pending in IT. So we have to definitely see if this level, if it holds, or if the market breaks it and goes ahead, is what we have to see. So definitely look out for this. And Nifty metals was showing strength, so you can definitely focus on Nifty metal sector as well, but also it is at an important level of resistance. So although the market broke this level, but towards the end it touched exactly at this level. So we have to see how this level reacts. If the markets can break further from here, then we can expect a further momentum in the metal sector. Apart from that, definitely keep an eye out for the FMCG index, because ITC is very close to 300, so definitely that can do well today. And the commodity prices, let us look into that. The crude oil prices are trading at $99 per barrel, down 0.77%. So below $100, again, that is good for the markets. So good to see stability returning in crude oil prices. And dollar index is at 106.7, so it has come down a bit. So again, that is good to see. USD INR at 79.97, so very close to 80 is where it is. And again, it is consolidating for the last few days. So we have discussed the levels, and markets are opening absolutely flat, so that is definitely good for expiry day. Hope everything goes well for you on the expiry day, because again, we have discussed the levels, but be prepared for anything, because it's expiry day. Things can happen anytime. So definitely, I hope you are on the right side of the trade today. And this is all for the pre-market show. We'll join again for the post-market show at 11:15 at night. Until then, have a good day, and thank you for watching.